In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your free Canva account. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to canva.com and you'll see the two buttons up here. Now, if you're new, you'll click on sign up. You'll sign up with an email. You'll include all your information here and click get started. And then it will send a code to this email and you'll include it on the next screen and then you'll be all set. But for those of you that already have a Canva account, you can just simply click on login, put in your info, and you'll get started. In this video, we're going to go over how to adjust the colors, the photos, and the text on your Canva compatible designs. So let's get started. And you're going to simply click on the one that you want to customize. It will open up in a new tab and you'll select Use Template. From here, we're going to start customizing the colors. So let's jump in. I'm going to go to my nice handy color palette here and use these hex colors. And I'm going to copy the ones that I want. Then click on the element that I want to change the color of. Click on the color in this top corner right here. Click on this plus sign and change the color. There we go. Now let's just change a few more colors and we'll then jump into the photos. So again, clicking on the color, clicking on the plus sign and pasting the number right in. And that way it just makes it super easy so that you can match exactly the colors that you want from your brand. All right, that looks perfect. So let's jump into now changing the photos. So I'm gonna first highlight the photos that I want to bring into Canva, including the logo. I'm just gonna drag and drop it, there we go, right into Canva. So you'll see them as they get loaded. Now let's start updating the photos now that they're loaded into here. So I'm simply going to drag and drop the photos that I want into place. So I'm going to just drag that, do it again. There we go. And if you want to adjust maybe like how the photo is shown, you just simply double click and then you can just swipe these right on over. So let's do that one more time. So let's take this nice couch pic, drag it over. It's right there. Maybe we want to just bring it to the side. So again, double click and drag. Perfect. All right, so now let's change the text. I'm going to go in and grab my handy dandy list of amenities and I'm going to highlight all of them that I want to delete, right? Because we don't need these. And simply copy and paste. So you can either go to edit and paste and match style just like this, or you can highlight and just use a quick, I use command, but I think it's on a PC, it could be control, and you can do control V and boom, all of them are there. So it looks like I have too many amenities. That's okay. I'm just going to delete these bottom two, or you can change the size and do that too, but here we go. Now, last but not least, let's adjust this bottom bar. So I'm going to zoom in a bit. I'm going to click on these and just delete them. I think it's easier that way. And then now that you have your logo in here, this is one that we've created for a community. I'm just simply going to click on it. And then I'm going to use my keyboard to just start bringing it down a bit. So that way it's easy to kind of drag into place. And I kind of just align it like that. And then I resize it. Boom. So let's do that again. Let's say this is my management company logo. I'm going to bring it down, kind of put it into the ideal place that I want, and then just simply resize. There we go. Now, to make sure they're even and evenly distributed, I'm going to click on both of them, use the position, and select middle. Easy kind of trick here. And then if you click on both of them again, maybe you want to make sure that they're going to be like centered. You can just simply go like that, and it will kind of show you those quick links. Now, let's adjust the name here. So we're going to do Sprout Apartments, adjust your street name. Maybe I want it in all caps. And we're just going to bring that down. There we go. City, state. Boom. Change the number. And then your website. All right. So now that we are all done, we'll zoom out. We will check everything, right, for spelling, grammar, all that good stuff. And then you'll just simply download it by clicking on the download button and click on the file type that you prefer. and download. And that is it. So that is how you customize your design with your colors, your photos, and your text.